Hello everyone, welcome to channel. So today we are going to solve a very popular interview problem. This is related to finding all the anagrams in a string using sliding window. This is also the last problem in the fixed sliding window pattern, and the problem goes like this. You have two strings S and P, and you have to find the starting indices of P anagram in S. For example, a string is given to you like ABCD, and you have to find the AB where it comes. So in this P ABCD, you have to specify the indices where A and B are there. Okay, now we will move to the solution part of it. This problem also builds on the same pattern which we have used in our last three fixed sliding window patterns, and I have kept it also similar so that it's easier to understand and learn. So in this find anagram optimize function we have created, which takes your string and it takes another string. Now the thing is this, we create as usual an empty array which is of a number, and then we are creating a frequency. So it's an array of 26, because as you know, English characters are 26, and then we are filling them with 0, and then we are creating a character code. So for A we have taken the character code and we have put it at 0. So here if you do console log of this, it will print you 97. So once what we started after that was we started building the frequency map for P. So P, which will have all your A, B, C, D and all like this. So what it will do is it will try to see for the string that you have given or the character code you have, how many times A has come, how many times B has come. So it will build a frequency map. For example, if the string is ABC, so for first three 1 1 1 will be written, something like this. Once you do a console.log or you try to print the things, you will see it much better. So why are we using like this? Why are we not using a set, for example A1 and B2 and C at 3 position? Because we want to avoid the hashing overhead, and it will also provide you a faster O1 access, and it is a very simple and perfect for fixed sliding window. So now we have a left 0, we have certain count, then we started a loop over this thing till the length of our string. So S is there and this. So now we are shifting the window. You are already at left, we are trying to get the right index. So we are trying to get it by the frequency. We are minusing, reaching the next one, and if the frequency is greater than 0, right, we have to decrease the count. So what does it mean is decreasing count when we find a needing character. So when we are getting the count, we are finding the character which we need, that time we need to decrease the count because we have to move the window. And if the count in this way equals to 0, then in this result array we will push whatever the value we had at the left. Now here I'm trying to console this frequency, which is which returns after processing the right cat. So this was the initial prerequisite that we have done. We built up on the frequency code that we had here. Now the actual part came where the brute force we have not applied, but here the sliding window thing has come. In all the problems that we are doing or you would have done earlier, here certain brute force code you would have written. So to build upon your own initial problems, wherever you have, instead of your brute force, put the sliding window code there and try to see how it works out. So here what we try to do, so here this is if window size is reached. We move left, we need to restore the frequency and count if this character was needed or not. Otherwise we restore the frequency for the left character as we are moving the window. So we will keep on moving till we find out till from which index it's starting. So that is what the solution is giving you. For example, here AB is there, so answer will be like 1 for you. and for example if this is P here, then 0 1, so this answer will be at 2 for you here, like this. Okay, so this is what our last fixed sliding window pattern anagram looks like. And so the whole code looks like this. Write the code, try to print the desired values and see how this works for you. So this is our all the 4 problems regarding this pattern. Now in the next pattern we will start with the variable sliding window. We will see the min of arrays and how we saw the maximums and all, and how these min and all calculated. And the major catch will be that in all these problems the window length was fixed, but how to dynamically change the window length and adjust, that we will see in the next videos. Okay, thank you, and if you do like, subscribe the channel.